What's up guys, it's Ross from Lift King. I want to introduce you to our Pro King 8 and our 8XXL. This is our best selling lift for 20 years. We've obviously been making upgrades over the years, but again, this is our OG. Comes with 6 drip trays, a jack tray, caster kit, front and back wheel blockers, and low rise ramp. So basically everything you need to run your lift. Lifetime warranty on the structure, 5-year on the power pack, and it's a true no BS warranty. If you have an issue, you call us, we will take care of it. Available in black, red, blue, and gray for colors. We have extra reinforcing in all the runways so you never have any bowing. We have extra thick top caps. We have 12 by 12 pads on the base. The other big positive on ours, you can physically see the locks. So when you unlock this unit, you can see where the locks are. You know you're disengaged before you lower. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but a lot of the companies, they have the locks hidden in the posts. When they're hidden in the posts, the problem is you can't see them and they do get caught. Doesn't happen with ours. Super easy to use, super safe. Anyways, choose Lift King.